Welcome back to Ethereum Millionaire with Gold Hustle. We're going to take a quick look at the charts here because we had a nice bounce after a pretty hard fall today. And we'll go back to our chart. Made the volume a little bit better. Oh, it's worse. We'll change that. It actually looks worse now that I'm looking at it. Go back there. Okay, that's actually better. I don't know what I was thinking. Stuff happens from time to time. But you can see after we consolidated, let's get a little pointer tool on there. You can see when we had a little skyrocket pump there, right here. The volume started declining, even in the 3 hour, you can see it. We'll zoom out a little bit, get a little better look at it. Even in a 3 hour time frame, you can see it. Notice the big pump. The sideways and up consolidation as the volume falls if you look at the bottom screen. Then we consolidated and rolled over right along our one of our up supporting trend lines, our upper support or lower support. You see, the first thing I notice when I see this on this one green candle on a 3 hour is the volume. It's nowhere near good volume. It's horrible volume. 2 hour time frame, 2 candles, horrible volume. 1 hour time frame, even uglier volume. Now, if you wonder why we have uglier volume and such ugly looking volume and price action, look how many different areas of support and resistance we're crossing. We're right at an intersection of two. One of these support is that triangle, the green triangle, which is our 1 hour time frame pattern. And then you got the light green line that's going from bottom left to top right about through the middle of the heart of this candle on the current 1 hour time frame. You got that acting as resistance and resistance. And what I think is going to happen here is we're going to wobble around here. We'll get a little pointer tool back on here. What I think we're going to do is we're going to wobble for a little while around here tonight. And remember, when it's nighttime and on the weekends, you have thinner trading than during the day when all the major markets are open. So the same on my little gold market with my gold bugs. Remember to like, subscribe, and share the video. That'd be greatly appreciated. We see a little light rain possible in my area, but stopping within an hour, so that's not bad. But it's sunny out here right now, so we're good. Not too concerned about that. But what I think is going to happen here with all these different major levels of support, some at a lower time frame, but up here that's a more significant. That's our monthly, our multi-month resistance now. This one right here is our multi-day resistance, support, and then multi-week right here. I mean, it's a lot to throw at you, but it's really not that hard. It's very simple as I'm breaking this down for you. If you have any questions, just throw questions in the comment box. Subscribe, hit that notification little dingy bell down there. But if you have any issues with what I'm saying and you want me to clarify certain things, feel free to comment down there. That's what this is all about, so we can build this community and learn together. But let's get back. I digress. On this beautiful mid-spring sun about to set day, I think with the horrible volume, right? Because it's just horrible volume. It looks like fucking Detroit Lions trying to knee the ball for victory and they fumble and the other team runs it back. But I think we're going to dance along these 4 major support and resistance areas in the next few hours tonight. We have thinner trading, which can make it more volatile because thinner trading means less buyers or sellers need to come in to move the market bigger than what would normally happen when, like, say, the U.S. major markets are open. You know what I'm saying? Not just the crypto and the after hours trading sites. But I think we're going to dance up around here. Probably come up and test the $53,800 mark. I think that's very plausible within the next 4 to 6 hours. I'll update you later. And I mean, that it brings resistance right here, right? You can clearly see the resistance there with our little pointer tool. Some more resistance right here. You see that? And then along with our support and resistance, and then our upper support here that we attempted to break out of that pattern right there, right? So I'm thinking we're going to come up in the next few hours, straddle this support and resistance line right here, and then ultimately, depending on, it's a downward sloping upper support resistance, so the longer it takes, the lower the price will be when it hits. But I'm thinking somewhere around So 53,966-ish is where I'm thinking we're going to meet that. Then I think we'll straddle it, maybe peek above it, but just like a duck getting shot when he peeks over the fucking fence and gets his head blown off, I think we're going to quickly dip back down in the thin market. Some sellers are going to come in, and we're going to come quickly back down to this lower support, dance around here for a few hours tonight, maybe bounce back here where we have, anytime you have intersections of support and resistance, that's always a good area where you, like, just like right here, always a good area where it's probably going to dance and wobble back to. And that's because somewhere in the past on the chart, we had similar price action around similar price. That makes sense, right? So you would think right here that would happen again. And then I think we're going to fall coming towards after that. So probably in the mid overnight hours, and start testing our 51,600 level. Just a quick update. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And this is in between our major videos, our dynamic video we made earlier this morning on a major alert about a big Ethereum drop, a potential Ethereum drop over the next days or weeks, because we're consolidating with low volume. Remember to check that out, and part 1 and part 2 about cryptocurrency and technical analysis and simple steps, and how I teach you guys to easily read and predict the future price action based off the previous price action, and try to find common ground in the chart and what to look for with volume and whatnot. So remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'll get back to you. I think we're going to straddle this line right here, and I think we're going to come up and just kind of straddle these support and resistances, because they're at the end here. They're all kind of bunched up together. So I think it's just a night, if we zoom into the minute time frame real quick, that it's just going to be sort of a bland, boring night where we straddle a bunch of things. Like, let's pull the pointer tool back up. Remember, like, subscribe, share, comment below, give your input. I would love to hear it. You see, perfect. And look, it actually came down right at the apex of this intersection between different supports and resistances at different times. And I think we're going to continue straddling it the rest of the night. Peace and love. Remember, Ethereum millionaire with a side gold hustle. Like, subscribe, share, comment below, hit the notifications. Until next time, peace and love.